Hey guys, this is an extension to the video I have called the Miracle Whip. In that video I talk about whipping the spine rather than most guys kind of tend to go thrusting like this, no movement in the pelvis. It's all just kind of this lever type movement. And what we want to do is get the whip, integrate the spine into this movement. And let me talk about why this is important. Let's just talk about the physics. In many methods of energy work, they'll refer to energy, the point of energy, as like a ball moving through the body, a ball of energy, like imagining that ball of energy sequentially moving through the body. We talk about it a lot in Tai Chi, using that ball of energy. We want energy to move through our body, through the pelvis, through the penis. We need to integrate the entire spine. This type of planking type thrusting would be like throwing the ball from here. If I'm not moving my tailbone back and extending my pelvic floor to create more propulsion in my thrust, then I might as well just toss a ball like this, right? We want the energy to go all the way back. So if I'm whipping my tailbone back, that's kind of the same thing as bringing my arm back to throw that ball and project that energy forward. So we want to create that propulsion by releasing the spine in order to be able to move our hips easily and use that energy to drive that force through our genitals. And if we have congestion or blockages in the spine which limit and restrict our movement, that is going to affect how our thrusting feels to our partner, how the force of our energy moves through. It kind of be like if I weren't extending, if I was grasping my wrist and trying to throw a ball and throwing it out that way. So I need that kind of sequential movement through the spine in order to release that energy and whip it out. Yoga is a great way to help you learn to release and integrate spinal energy and be able to work sequentially through the body. At first it may start out where you're only just kind of getting that one hit and kind of working there, but eventually you'll be able to kind of bounce it more like a basketball, right? Using that force, getting the rebound so that you can move back into that thrust that pushes the pelvis back. So the next time you're working with your pelvis in a thrusting motion, try to think about balls, not just your nutsack. And check out my video called Miracle Whip for more information, tips and exercises, learning how to move the spine more sensually and more effectively.